included the vegan and gluten-free bakes. Now this class, after again a little while, I have done this because this class is generally for all those who are really looking at all the cakes which are gluten-free, how we have the different flours used for this particular cakes, so that we don't use any flour which is with gluten. So I have taught you today which are the flours which are gluten-free, what is vegan, which are the substitutes that we'll use for butter and your oil, or your milk. So all your vegan cakes have vegan products have gone in. Plus, to make it no processed sugar, I have given you options of all your no processed sugar substitutes. Okay. We first started with our quinoa brownie. Now quinoa is something, again, it's gluten free. I have made it with no processed sugar and it's completely vegan. I have put a pinch of tahini, that's your sesame butter. We've also used a 45% pure chocolate. So we've done double chocolate where it's on the top and in our brownie. And we've used almonds today. So we call this as your quinoa tahini almond brownie. Okay. Next we did our chocolate cake. This is again vegan, gluten free and no processed sugar. Chocolate cake, I also taught you how to make this Nutella. This is the homemade Nutella which is vegan and without any processed sugar. So we've used a very natural sweetener to make our Nutella. Now this Nutella, you can make it in the cake like this, like for garnishing. You can also sell your Nutella in jars like this. So you can actually have your 150 ml jars, 200 ml jars, 250 ml jars of Nutella spreads. Okay? Yes.
How much will this Nutella can be sold for?
See, approximately you can count it as, say, for about 300 rupees for 200 grams. Approximately 300 rupees for sure for 200 grams of your 200 ml of your Nutella. Then next we came up with our banana zucchini. Now today I have made a complete different version of my banana zucchini with mixed seeds, walnuts, zucchini. We have again done a gluten-free and vegan cake and with a natural sweetener. So that's your banana zucchini loaf. Our showstopper for today is our coconut and raspberry bundt, where I've taught you how to make the raspberry sauce, which is sugar free. We have made a coconut and a pistachio. You can see there are some pistachios over here. So we've done a pistachio coconut bundt cake and then drizzled with raspberry and toasted coconuts on the top. Then we have berry granola. So this is a vanilla version of your gluten-free and vegan cake. I've taught you how to make it with granola. You can add on with anything, choco chips, carrots, whichever you want, you can add. So I have done it in a granola form. And lastly, these are your apple crumble muffins. So these are again with cinnamon, with natural sweetener. I showed you the torch process. You can even do that. And this is how we make our apple crumble muffins. We've discussed the costing and the packaging of each, even how you can place them, how you can price them. Okay. So I had Chennai, Pune, Raipur, Surat and Mumbai. Yeah, 5 students today. Anybody would like to talk about the experience for today's class?
Yes,
Please.
There is lots of information for vegan and healthy things.
Right.
Yeah, but we will have so many questions and queries. Well, we will make it.
Yes, please, you can
it's
ask
a very
me.
much new subject for me.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but enjoyed a lot and learned a lot.
Thank you. Yes, what about you? What were you saying?
Yes, Ashish, as usual, it is always your class are very informative.
Thank
so this
you.
class also I loved it. You taught everything right from the basics. I had so many questions in my mind, but now I think I am like done with everything.
Correct.
So it was, you can say, superb.
Thank
Very
you.
nice class.
And you waited for quite some time for this class to come.
Actually, I was waiting since long.
Yeah.
Yes. I thoroughly enjoyed.
Thank you so much. Yes, Chennai.
So now for me is the very first class.
Your first class, correct.
But I've been waiting for this kind of a class for a long time because I'm looking for everything healthy options. So this was the only class that I found for the healthier option in baking. So I should say that your process of teaching was very good, and I felt it was, every detail was given.
Yes.
When the classes doesn't cover all the details, and it was slowly, it was done in detail, which was necessary.
Correct.
So
Thank
I
you.
feel it's totally worth and totally nice. I enjoyed, and as somebody else also said, we'll have a lot of doubts when I'm going to make all this.
Sure, sure.
And
Whenever
I'm
you're
going to disturb you
making,
again.
yes, you can ask questions. And I've taught you with a lot of combinations today. I've done very different combinations, so you can work on these all combinations also when you're making.
Definitely, yes.
Okay, so we'll wind up.